Rushing to integrate AI can cost you. I've seen startups blow up to $500K on tech that just doesn't fit their vision, and they're left regretting it months later. So, how do you figure out if AI is really worth it for your business? A lot of founders jump into AI just because everyone else is doing it. Trust me, that's a fast track to bad decisions. Take Shopify, for example. They hurried to roll out AI product recommendations, only to find users were unhappy and wanted real human curation instead. That move set them back about $1 million in development and marketing. This isn't just a Shopify problem. We've seen similar issues with companies like Snapchat, which spent approximately $200 million on AI features that users simply didn't engage with. At gotyourtech.ai, we see this kind of mistake all the time. The tech world moves at lightning speed, and if you don't have a solid strategy, you'll just burn through your resources. For instance, a startup I consulted with invested $300 in an AI chatbot that failed to answer basic customer queries, leading to a 40% drop in customer satisfaction. Another case involved a company that spent $450K on an AI-driven analytics tool that ended up being too complex for their team to use effectively. Rushing into AI without a clear plan can lead to wasted resources and missed opportunities. You need to ask yourself, are you solving a real problem or just following a trend? Integrating AI starts with a clear focus on the problem it will solve for your users. What's the real pain point? Take Brex, for example. They realized founders were desperate for better financial management tools to smooth out their operations. That insight helped them hone in on their AI features, which have since gained traction among their users, driving a 25% increase in customer retention. Then check if your team has the technical know-how to make this work. Do you have the right skills on your squad, or will you need to pull in some experts? I've seen plenty of founders skip this step and wind up spending $200K on solutions that just don't pay off. For instance, a tech startup I worked with thought they could build their own AI model in-house, but ended up hiring an external consultant for $150 just to get it right. We talk about this kind of stuff at gotyourtech.ai. Nail these points down, and you'll make smarter decisions while dodging expensive mistakes. Additionally, always consider user feedback. Companies like Airbnb have thrived by listening to their users and adjusting their AI algorithms based on real-time data, which has improved their search functionalities significantly. A notable example is how they increased booking rates by 30% after implementing user-driven changes. By ensuring you have a well-rounded approach, you can integrate AI effectively and avoid the pitfalls that many others face. AI can make or break your product, and you don't have to figure this out on your own. Trust me, getting expert advice can save you a ton of time and cash. If you're unsure about how to integrate AI correctly, go to gotyourtech.ai. They offer on-demand insights that help you make smart choices. Don't be the one left behind while others use AI to leap ahead.